Okay guys, we're going to walk down through town, so visit this. Tapas now. It should be going a little bit quieter. It usually does. Looks pretty busy to me though. This is how I think the shops survive over here. Obviously tourists help. I think actually in the Old Town they don't bother with the siesta so much. Ah, what a beautiful day today. So it's around about 25 degrees. It's an 18 in the shade. You'd see 31 earlier, but I'm sure that's not right. It's been a little bit, but not that much. Hey, great place to be anyway. Out with the new gimbal today. It looks like it's wobbling a little bit, but going to carry on today. We'll do some tests tomorrow. A new little supermarket in there. Things are changing in Benidorm. The biggest bottle of wine in Benidorm. Absolutely brilliant. No Britannia down there, good bar. And there the other night. Yeah, good beer. More of an English type beer with a head. Yeah, occasionally get a Spanish pint. Yeah, it's pretty flat. What we're used to. We should get the temperature fixed down the bottom here. That used to be the one we always used to rely on. A few beggars out down this way. I think the main we're getting paid on YouTube. Should we go and have a go? We're all thinking of doing that tomato video. Wouldn't do it in Benidorm like, but outside Benidorm maybe. Small clothes on. See how much I make it out. I reckon it's pretty profitable in Benidorm. Might make a good video. Well, we've come through a bit quick there. The ice cream shop there. €6 shop. Did this a bit earlier in one of the other videos. This is being filmed the end of March. I'm going to put these up in April. Reason being that I've had a good bump on the shorts in March, and now I'm going to try and repeat the same thing on the longer form in the April. We'll do exactly the same, see if we get the same views. Yeah, I think this is not quite set up right. The gimbal. Absolutely beautiful day. The stores out down here. Is it nearly Easter or something? There we go, guys. You lose track of time over there. Right there. All waiting for some food. Got to take away for ducks and pigeons. Gonna be on the shower today. Come on then, up on. Go on. See over the back there, the bike storage things. I never see anybody ever use them. I don't know quite how they work. I think you have to pay. And probably why nobody's using them, to be honest. Okay, yeah, all the stores out up this way. I don't know why they take them down, really. They're all ready to go now. All the usual stuff. I'm sure I've done them on the channel before. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Just give you a quick view of the beach. Absolutely brilliant. The volleyball nets up there. And the kids play area over there. Lovely place to be. Sea doesn't look as blue over this side. Yeah. Just how the sun's hitting it, of course. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it at that. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye.